It's time to play KeRpLuNk, the game of falling marbles.
What? KeRpLuNk?
Let's open it up and get the pieces. Inside we have one giant KeRpLuNk cone. We've got a tray. And I think that's everything we need. Whoa! Oh, careful with that box there. Alright, now the cone goes into the tray like this. Oh, no, upside down. Into the tray like this, lining up the holes. And don't forget the KeRpLuNk sticks.
What? What are KeRpLuNk sticks?
What are KeRpLuNk sticks for? Why, I'll show you, Excite Dog. I'm going to take each one, and I'm going to stick it inside one of the tiny little holes inside the KeRpLuNk cone, and then it's going to poke out the other side, like this. I'm going to try to get them all in for us here. It's a little bit tricky, but I'll try to do it really fast. Just a few more to go. There, two more. Last one. And now our KeRpLuNk cone is ready to go.
Whoa! Those sticks sure make the cone look crazy!
They sure do, Excite Dog.
What are the sticks for?
The KeRpLuNk sticks are going to hold up the marbles after we drop them in this hole.
Marbles? What marbles?
These marbles, Excite Dog. I've got blue, green, and clear colored marbles. And now we're going to drop them into the cone.
But the marbles are not falling to the bottom.
That's right, because the sticks are holding them up.
Oh! That's what the sticks were for.
You got it, Excite Dog. And there's the last of the marbles.
Oh, good.
Okay, so now we're all set up and ready to play.
How do we do that?
Well, we're going to pull out the sticks and try not to let the marbles fall into these 4 compartments. Remember, there's a little hole here, so if the marbles fall down, they're going to roll out into one of the numbered compartments. So let's get started. All we do is we pull out a stick one at a time. But we have to pick the right one, otherwise the marbles will fall. Let's try this orange one. There! That came out nice and easy.
And no marbles fell.
Nope, let's keep going. We got lots of sticks to pull.
How many sticks do we gotta pull out?
All of them.
What? All of them?
That's right. Oh, there's a yellow one. Let's keep going. Which one? Oh, let's try this green one. This one looks pretty good.
Careful!
No problem, Excite Dog.
Yeah, this is kind of easy.
Let's see, another green one.
I like the green ones. And what happens when the marbles fall?
Well, if the marbles fall, and they probably will, then we lose the game, and you get to scream really loud.
Oh, I like to do that.
You are Excite Dog after all. Now, normally if you're playing with multiple players, you each have a tray and you rotate it so that if the marbles fall, they fall into your tray and not your opponent's, and you take turns. But since it's just you and I'm going to take all the turns today, okay?
Okay.
Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10!
10 sticks so far. Let's just keep on going. Starting to get a lot more tricky though. Any one of these sticks and all the marbles could come falling down.
Oh, don't take any sticks that are holding up the marbles.
I'll try to figure out which ones are safe.
Yeah, take the safe ones.
But it's gonna be harder to find those. That one came out pretty easy.
Yeah.
Here, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 we got! That's fantastic!
Yeah!
Do you think we can get 20, Excite Dog?
20?
Yeah, let's try for 20.
I don't know.
Alright, keep going. Let's see. Just gonna need 3 more to get to 20.
Oh boy.
Those marbles are starting to shift around a little bit worried.
Come on!
Oh, just one more to get to 20. Come on! Oh, we made it!
What?
We got 20 sticks out, and the marbles are still standing in the cup.
Maybe we should count again to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20!
We reached our goal, Excito. Why don't we keep going just to see what happens?
What? That is not a good idea. What? Oh no! The marbles have fallen!
Ah, but let's keep going anyway.
No. Another one fell.
Yep, it looks like there are 4 marbles now at the bottom. There are not many sticks holding up the rest of those marbles, let me tell you.
Oh, can we stop now, Dave? Please, pretty please.
I think we should keep going.
What?
Just one more. Whew.
Whoa.
How about maybe just one more?
No. Oh no, the marbles went KeRpLuNk.
Oh no, I pulled out the wrong stick. Oh, rewind. And they fell down again.
The bottom of the cone is completely full of marbles.
Yep. And there's only 4 sticks left with 2 marbles remaining. Should we pull them?
Definitely not.
Okay, let's do it then.
What?
Here goes nothing.
No, don't do it.
Whew. We're okay. 3 sticks left.
Don't do it.
2 sticks left.
Oh, don't stop. Do not.
And I guess you can't really balance 2 marbles on 1 stick. Well, that is the game of KeRpLuNk, everyone.
Yeah, it's a very tricky game.
But can be fun if you like to count, which we at Imagination Room really do.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try another video, just click the box and check it out. And if you'd like to join us on our next adventure, click the circle to subscribe.
Bye, everybody. Keep imagining.